Hello guys, David 1234567 here, and today I am going to be showing you how to make Firestorm, the White Canary, the Atom, and Heatwave. First one is the Firestorm. So what you're gonna need for this is Cyborg's face, two of these fire pieces. It doesn't have to be these, it could be any fire piece. Ghost Rider's body, and then Superman's hair for the hair. And then for White Canary, you're gonna need Supergirl's face, the Ray's black staff. Any yellow hair will do. I just wanted to use this one. And a white body, which is pretty common, and some white arms for the arms. For Ray Palmer, you're just gonna need scuba diver's pants, Benny the spaceman's helmet, one of these see-through things for the mask, Superman's face, Deadshot's body, some blue arms, and lightning for what he's doing, two blue bricks on the back of his legs to show that he's flying, and one right there to also show that he's flying. That's how you built the Atom. And our final minifigure, the Heatwave, you're gonna need Boba Fett's face, any rubber body, gray pants, and the fire gun's pretty easy to build. You could get one from the Lego Batman movie set, or you could just take any gun that has a hole in the front, put a fire brick, and just add this to the side to make it look like fire's firing out of that. And those are all the minifigures, and if you want to see them again, that is Heatwave, that is the Atom, that is Firestorm, White Canary. Here are all the minifigures. Shout out to Barry Gold. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.